Hi there, students. A stroke, or even as a verb, to stroke. Let's look at the verb to stroke to start with. To stroke means to caress, to stroke. So you could stroke a dog, or you could stroke a cat, or you could stroke your girlfriend's hair. So to move your hand over a surface gently in a loving way. And this is the verb to stroke. Also, a stroke, a movement. But the noun, a stroke, this is a blow, a hit. Strike, struck, struck. A stroke. Let's see. A strike you can have in baseball, or a strike when the workers don't go to school. But to hit, a stroke. The boxer knocked him out with one stroke, one hit, one blow. He smashed the rock with one stroke of his hammer. One blow, bang. So a stroke, a single movement with a tool, but normally a hard one, very often in sports. So for example, in golf, how many strokes did it take you to go round the course? Or in tennis, with one stroke he won the match, where you are striking the ball. In rowing, when your oar hits the water and you pull, that is a stroke. Or in cricket, a stroke. You could have a stroke with a weapon. With one stroke of the sword, he cut his enemy's head off. Ooh, that's a bit bloodthirsty. So going back to this stroke with rowing, a stroke can be a series of regular movements where you're pulling against something. So your stroke is the way that you swim. Breaststroke, backstroke. He's doing butterfly stroke. A stroke of the bird's wing. And you're pushing against something. In the rowing, his stroke is very good. Then we have a much more metaphorical meaning. A sudden occurrence, a sudden result, normally with maybe work to get that result suddenly, or maybe even an action. So he had a stroke of genius. It's like a hit of genius came to his mind. That was a stroke of luck. A hit again, if you like. With his master stroke, did away with his enemies. Got rid of his enemies. A stroke. When you're writing, you have a downstroke, an upstroke. So it's a movement with a pen or a brush. His strokes on the canvas left a beautiful design. And then finally we need to look at a medical use of this word. A stroke is when somebody has loss of brain function due to interruption of the blood supply. Very often a blood clot on the brain. So a stroke, a hit, a blow. What about the origin of this word? Well, apparently it comes from Proto-Indo-European, a very old language which all of the European and Indian languages came from, or some of it. There was a word strag, which was to strike, to hit. And that then came to Proto-Germanic and into English. Now, next question, a stroke, formality. This is a great word, a 5. You can use it in the most informal situation, you can use it in the most formal document. So it's a nice flexible verb. Sorry, flexible, well, verb or noun. Okay, so to stroke a dog. A stroke with a sword, a stroke with his fist, a stroke at cricket, a rowing stroke, a stroke of luck, a stroke of genius, a stroke with your pen, or a medical stroke where somebody has a problem with their brain and it doesn't work properly. So, stroke. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stroke.